Hello guys, today token is Somi the money token. Rank is 3112. Around 613 people have added it to the watch list. Website is winningtoken.org. Price is $0.0003358. BTC is 76.20% high. ETH is 77.35% high. Low price is $0.00158. High price is $0.003466. Its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. After that we will come down, and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 2,97,000 winnings token, and trading volume in 24 hour around $4,67,000, and its total supply is around 88 billion winnings token. And we will open its website and click on winningstoken.org. I have already opened this website. Let me show you the money with winnings. It's one non-stop party to show you the money, and we can earn the highest BUSD yard with winnings frictionless reward. In every hour we have got a bunch of way to help you earn, from reflection to lottery to auto boosting to marketing. It's all about showing you the money. And we will click on tokenomics. This is winningnomics. Total supply is 88 billion winnings token. Frictionless reward. Buy and hold 5% of all transactions are rewarded back to the every holders in the form of BUSD. Lottery winners. One lucky winner will be select every 3 hours. 3% tax on all transactions which goes into a lottery prize, and that gets drawn every 3 hours for lucky winners. Whatever is in the pot each hour we distribute BNB. Minimum hold 10 million winnings. Booster. Winning protocol makes our coin hyperdeflationary. 3% of every buy and sell is bought back from the market and then instantly burned, increasing everyone's value. Promotion. 3% goes to reward our ingenious marketing and dev team to spread the word. Anti-whale. Anti-whale protection incentives in place as a progressive tax for large sale. Dedicated and experienced team here to answer your question and make sure you win the winnings. This is roadmap. Let's get it started. Reach 5,000 holders in Q3. Reach 10,000 Telegram member within 3 months. Aggressive marketing campaign to build excitement and awareness. Launch side. $5 million market cap within 3 months. Growth phase. $15 million market cap. Getting listed on the top 10 exchange. Trust wallet logo. Celebrity and influencer endorsement. YouTube and IRL advertising campaign. And frictionless rewards. 5% for staying loyal in the form of BUSD every hour. Mega winning lottery. Every 3 hours, 8 times a day, get a chance to win. Minimum hold 10 million winnings. Booster. Winning protocol makes our coin hyper deflationary. Every buy or sell or bought back from the market and the instantly burnt, increasing everyone's value. And about winnings, let me tell you what can I do for you. Let me show you DA money. I will tell you why you don't have your $1 million. It's because you don't have winnings. When you are choosing your next token, choose what inspired people. Play the game from your heart, then they will show you the no, and that's the truth. And this is Twitter account of winnings token. Total followers is 869. We can follow winnings token for latest update. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. Thanks for watching.